Welcome to Networking and Security Question Examples based on AWS Data Engineer topics by abylead. The following questions are based on the first regular exam in March 2024 with 65 questions. Question 1. How do you resolve a connection error from S3 VPC gateway endpoint connecting glue job with S3? Wrong is to look for routing to S3 within glue's subgroup. Additionally, glue gets access to VPC resources via an ID from subnet or security group, not via domain name. When you create a S3 gateway endpoint, you select the subnet and the routes are automatically added to the VPC route table. Question 2. How do you integrate with least overhead the third-party datasets for recommendation analytics? You can't employ DataSync for API-based dataset transfers. Also, Kinesis Stream ingests for record streaming, but not for large dataset analytics. In contrast, AWS DataExchange is a dataset repo to discover and subscribe new third-party datasets. Question 3. How do you most efficient auto-transfer data with schedule from on-premises to S3 with 5% daily data changes and regular updates? For continuous synced file transfers, it's impractical to use Glue, Direct Connect or S3 transfer acceleration. Most advisable is to apply AWS DataSync data copies with sync and schedule feature between on-premises and storage services. Question 4. How do you store with least effort the logs of all writes to the S3 bucket into another S3 bucket in same region? Inadequate is to engage Kinesis Firehose with 3 services or a tailor-made Lambda function for a simple logging task. Besides, CloudTrail Management Events doesn't record data events.
For simple logging, you best use CloudTrail's Data Event Trail for direct activity logging to S3 bucket without development or maintenance.
Hold on a minute. If you like this channel and its free content to continue, please subscribe it on the right bottom button. Question 5. How do you realize a data mesh with central governance, analysis, and access for Glue ETL with data catalogs? Inexistent is a mesh storage domain for storages like Aurora or RDS, and a Databrew mesh producer can't be a central mesh account. Not better is to confuse EMR mesh producer as a Analytics consumer. In the central mesh account, you ideally use lake formation governance with S3 Data Lake as the mesh producer and Athena Analytics as the consumer. Question 6. How do you efficient audit and rotate a key to encrypt sensitive patient data in transit as well in an S3 and Redshift? To manage encryption keys, you can't engage MACI or ACM certification. Moreover, the hardware-based Cloud HSM key storage is far-fetched and costly. Instead, engage KMS to create, control, audit and rotate encryption keys integrated with other services. Question 7. How do you efficient resolve key encryption, audit and rotation for Glue job with current hard-coded job script to access Redshift? It's not recommended to embed credentials in job parameters or a config files. Also, a config file is impractical to structure security tasks similar to the IAM service. Most advisable for Glue credential management is the Secrets Manager with secure credential storage and its rotation. With the understanding of networking and security for data engineers, you are ready for more details. We wish you further insights with abylead videos.